Before then, let me just a moment. Before I bring in another caller in, let me just let me send my greetings to some of us that joined, because I know when they in the Nama water now. Let me start from okay. We have Give to KK is here with us, and 3 Point. 3 Point, I see you. And Woba Udoka, I see you. And Men of Africa, men of Africa to the world, I see you. And you said Kai TV, good morning from my location, brother. I have said it before that Ada went to Finland to protest to prove to Finnish government that she is an insider and has first-hand information. My brother, women of Africa, this your comment is deep, and it's very, very, very deep. Very, very, very deep. Anyway, let me move to another. Thank you for that. Thank you. I never thought of this one. I never think of it at all. But don't worry. Please don't call me yet. Let me say something before. I want to say something before you call in again. Just a moment. I'm trying to put something here. Let me change the background, then we can continue. I'm trying to change the background. My daughter. Just a moment. And we have Amy Sam is here with us. Wandu, I see you. And Priscilla Nani, I see you. Thank you for joining us. Emekeze, say hi. Egu John is here with us. Emekeze again. And Egu John, and Give to KK. Papa Smith, Odogwoke, you know, I see you. Bafran Exodus, I see you. And Ejiofor is here with us. I like your program, may God. Okay, thank you for that. Kenechu Kweze, we are welcome. Chinedu, I see you. Chijoke, all of you, thank you so much for your comment, and please like the video. Like the video. We have 100 and something watching. Only 55 have liked the video. Very, very poor. So you can do better. Please, you can do better. Try your best and like the video. In case you have not liked it, that is the way to support us. We need the support. This is the weekend. We have to spend time together. That's why I decided to stream now, because this is weekend and we can have this time together and enjoy, and we can enjoy ourselves together. Today we can just like the video, okay? If you have not liked it, even though you have not liked the video before, like you don't care, please, now you need to care. Try your best and like the video, and share it if you can. Share it to many platforms of your choice while we are still streaming. Very, very important that you do so. And when you hear this issue of why Socha and people like her trying to avoid being questioned, to me, I don't see this like questioning her now. I don't see it as like it is wrong time to do that. I don't think it's a wrong time to do that. To me, this is my own opinion. I don't think it's a wrong time, because read what Women of Africa said here, that for her to go to Finland, one of the reasons why she went there is to prove to Finnish government that, look, I am an insider. What I'm saying is true. You cannot deny that, because if she can switch on and switch off every now and then, she can do and don't do. Don't you think so? She can do and don't do. And that is, to me, is a no-no. I'm not in support of that. I don't like it. That's why you need to also reason that way. Think about it, and maybe you can make sense out of it. Now, let's continue. Let me return calls, because I told us that if I did not return call of this, our brother, hey, someone is calling already. Okay, and if your number starts with, okay, and this our brother is calling from Bongo. Okay, let me answer this one. I will call you back. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. You're welcome.